These Amazon kitchen tools save so much time, it honestly feels like cheating. But tool number 6 cut meal prep in half instantly. And the final gadget? It does a 20-minute kitchen task in under 30 seconds. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Enjoy fresh, healthy popcorn in minutes with the original Sal Brie microwave popcorn popper. This collapsible silicone bowl uses hot air popping technology, so no oil is needed for delicious homemade popcorn. Easy to use, easy to store, and perfect for movie nights, it delivers fast, mess-free snacking in a fun turquoise design, all for just $17. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter plate gripper set. Perfect for instant pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Enjoy quick and easy meals with this 4-set microwave ramen cooker bowl set. Each 33-ounce bowl lets you cook noodles in minutes right in the microwave. Perfect for college dorms, busy kitchens, or late-night snacks. With easy grip handles plus included spoons, chopsticks, and forks, it's a complete all-in-one noodle solution. Stylish fresh colors, easy cleanup, and 4 full sets for just $30. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized 17-piece cookware set. Featuring durable non-stick surfaces, this complete set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and griddle for all your cooking needs. Built for even heating and easy cleanup, it's also dishwasher safe for maximum convenience. Stylish, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. All for $200. Cook smarter and serve delicious meals with the Magnifique 4-quart programmable casserole slow cooker. This versatile 8-in-1 cooker features a removable non-toxic stoneware crock, rice cooking function, non-stick surface, and an oven-safe pot up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for slow-cooked casseroles, soups, and family dinners, all in one stylish design for $180. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables. It delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Cook delicious meals in minutes with the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, a versatile indoor electric grill perfect for pizzas, quesadillas, tortillas, nachos, pancakes, and more. Featuring a spacious 12-inch non-stick cooking surface for fast heating and easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick family meals and snacks. Enjoy tasty homemade favorites for just $43. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart Rotating Waffle Maker, designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Cook your favorite meals faster and easier with the versatile 2L electric steamer multifunctional cooker. Featuring a 2-liter ceramic glaze nonstick pot, dual power settings, quick heating, and overheat protection, it's perfect for steak, pasta, ramen, hot pot, and more. Compact, convenient, and easy to clean, all for just $58. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Make baking easier and more fun with the 2026 new Egg Separator, a cute and clever kitchen tool that quickly separates egg yolks from whites with an easy squeeze and release design. Made from food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher-safe, mess-free, and perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Grab this handy kitchen gadget for just $13. Create cafe-quality drinks at home with the Diario all-in-one milk frother. This 15-ounce automatic foam maker delivers silky, latte art-level microfoam for over 30 delicious drinks. With an easy-to-read LED display, simple controls, and dishwasher-safe design, it's built for convenience and performance. Elevate your coffee experience every day, all for just $84.52. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker, designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings, all for just $39. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSTBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Compact, convenient, and perfect for cozy meals, the Tiama 1QT. White mini ceramic stew cooker makes cooking simple and stress-free. With easy preset functions, a built-in timer, and a durable ceramic pot, it's ideal for soups, stews, oatmeal, and more. At just $49, this mini cooker delivers warm, delicious meals with minimal effort. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the JennaCook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Cook smarter with this 12-cutie large dual air fryer. Featuring two 6-cutie baskets, sync cook function, and a full touchscreen panel, it lets you prepare 2 dishes at once with perfect timing. Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and with a viewing window. Easy, fast, and healthier cooking made simple. Organize your spices effortlessly with the Mustorn 2-pack pull-out spice rack organizer. Featuring a 2-tier metal design and smooth slide-out function, it provides easy access to all your seasonings. No drilling required, durable, space-saving, and perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and tidy. Unlock rich flavor the traditional way with the Chef Sophie 1.5-cup mortar and pestle set. Crafted from unpolished heavy granite for superior grinding performance and a natural organic look. Perfect for crushing herbs, spices, garlic, and making fresh guacamole or sauces with ease. Durable, stylish, and built to last, this premium kitchen essential is yours for just $30. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Cook smarter with the Cosori Iconic 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer. Featuring PFAS-free ceramic coating and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, consistent results every time. With multiple functions, air fry, roast, bake, dry proof, and reheat, plus a dishwasher-safe basket, it makes healthy, hassle-free cooking easy. Prep garlic faster and cleaner with the Garlic Appeal Garlic Press, an all-in-one tool that crushes, cuts, minces, and stores garlic with ease. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, a silicone garlic peeler, and an easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Get fresh garlic flavor in seconds for just $19. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Cook delicious meals anytime with the Cuisinart Griddler 5 in one indoor grill. Use it as a grill, panini press, sandwich maker, griddle, and more for endless cooking options. The dishwasher-safe non-stick plates make cleanup quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Versatile, convenient, and only $100. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Starfrit The Rock dual-sided electric hot pot. This 3L dual-sided hot pot features durable rock, tech non-stick technology, adjustable temperature control, and powerful 1200W heating for quick, even cooking. Perfect for soups, noodles, hot pot nights, and more, all for an affordable $48. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Power up your kitchen with the versatile TechWood 7.5-quart 2-in-1 electric skillet multi-cooker. Featuring a spacious 7.5-quart capacity, 5 adjustable heat settings, and a removable non-stick skillet pan and cooking pot, it's perfect for frying, simmering, steaming, and more. With powerful 1500W heating and dishwasher-safe parts, cooking and cleanup are effortless. All for just $87. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, It's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with Gidley kitchen shears, your all-in-one cutting solution. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these ultra-sharp scissors handle everything from meat to herbs with ease. Plus, you get bonus seafood scissors and a lifetime replacement warranty for peace of mind. Durable, versatile, and just $22, an essential for every kitchen. Clean and drain with ease using the multifunctional drain basket. This 2024 fruit cleaning bowl set includes 2 clear containers with built-in strainers, perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, and catching food over the sink. Durable, practical, and mess-free, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Make every meal faster and easier with the comfy 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This 6-quart powerhouse combines a pressure cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, slow cooker, sauté pan, and steamer all in one compact design. With a non-stick pot and 12 smart cooking functions, it's the perfect kitchen upgrade for delicious meals at just $82. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks at home with the 6.5-inch extra-wide feed chute cold press juicer. Designed to handle whole fruits with less prep and maximum juice extraction. This powerful 3-in-1 machine makes juice, sorbet, and nut milk while preserving natural nutrients and flavor. Easy to clean and perfect for home kitchens or gifting, this premium juicer is available for $200. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Make cherry prep fast and mess-free with the 2026 upgraded cherry pitter. This smart 7-in-1 tool removes pits quickly with extra-large slots that fit more cherries at once. The transparent pit cup reduces splatter and keeps your kitchen clean while making cherry jam, desserts, or snacks. Dishwasher safe, easy to use, and only $18. Perfect for every fruit lover's kitchen. Cook, grill, steam, and enjoy all your favorite meals with the N73 SNA Hot Pot Electric Non-Stick Multi-Cooker. This 2.5-quart portable cooker features a non-stick, PFOA-free design with adjustable power settings for everything from ramen and soup to steak and fried rice. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion for quick and delicious meals. All for just $100. Cook restaurant-quality rice at home with the Cookware high-pressure rice cooker. With a large 10-cup uncooked/20-cup cook capacity, it's perfect for families and gatherings. Featuring 13 smart menu options, fuzzy logic technology, a non-stick inner pot, steam plate, and helpful voice guide, it makes cooking effortless and precise. Powerful, modern, and only $280. Your ultimate kitchen upgrade. Whisk smarter with the Joseph Twist Whisk 2-in-1 design. Easily switch between a balloon whisk for whipping and a flat whisk for stirring with a simple twist. Its silicone-coated steel wires are safe for non-stick cookware,